Our design expert, Karla Dreyer, is back.
Hello.
Lovely to see you.
I'm excited to be here. We're going to have some fun today.
I'm excited too. Well, first of all, because I really like you. And second of all, I'm going to be moving in a few weeks, so I need to redecorate my apartment. And I need to find my own sense of style.
This is perfect timing then that I'm here for you. So I always find with clients, I always say, what's your style? What's your design style? And they're like, I don't know. 100% of the time they say, I don't know. And then when we dig a little further, 100% of the time they always do have a design style. And then once they know, it just makes it that much more fun. They're more connected to their space. They know what to shop for. So there's lots of different styles, but today we're going to go over 4 different common styles, and I'm going to make you guess. I'm going to put you to the test.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right. So
I'm not very good at.
So we got a few cards of different styles. So we're going to start over here, and I think we have a picture too. So I'm giving you 2 hints. This is the first vignette, and you see here's a picture of the style that we have.
Okay.
So here's some of your guesses, and you can see the similarities here: black, white, simple, greenery.
So you got
anything
Bohemian
come to mind
here. You got modern farmhouse. Can we see the photo again?
I've stumped her on the first. I love it.
Scandinavian.
Hint.
Scandinavian?
Scandinavian!
Okay. You're so nice. You let me win.
So Scandinavian is the first one. So this style is all about clearing the clutter, really form and function meet each other. So even if you had like I said, this water pitcher, it would be functional and beautiful. A lot of black and white, really simplicity in the style. It's really an intentional way of living. But I wanted to show people here you can do this with accessories. So you don't have to change the furniture. You could bring that in with accessories.
Okay.
Okay.
What's the next one?
Second one. I think we have a picture of it to give you a hint. So there's the second style, and you can see here in the little vignette you created, very similar. So we've got whites, we've got greens, we've got.
I definitely know what this is. This is beach.
This
beachy vibes all the way.
This one's easy. Yeah. This one's easy. So beachy vibes, and this time of year, people might want to do this. Easy way to do it is in those really beach colors. I went literal here and seashells. Put them in little jars like a DIY. Lanterns in the blues and the whites. But I want to point out to people, you don't need to change your furniture. So you could have the same furniture, and then you could bring in these accessories, and it would be a totally different look.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Very nice. All right, the next one.
All right. So vignette number 3. Do we have our picture?
Some colorful pillows here.
There we go. So you can see this is a totally different look.
This is definitely more modern. Do you have a type of modern? Oh, mid-century modern.
Mid-century modern. You're good. See? Very good. Okay. So mid-century is really about, I think you do need a little bit of the furniture in there because it really is that mid-century 60s type furniture. It's the warm woods, it's the tapered legs. But what I love about it, you can mix it with other styles. Mid-century works really well to mix with other styles. But if you want to bring in the accessories, it's like these bold colors, the oranges, the blues, the yellows, and it give you that sort of mid-century vibe.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Love the stuff here, Karla. Okay, finally.
The last one. All right.
We definitely have some plants.
We have some plants. There's a little inspiration picture, a little hint for you.
More colorful.
So this is this one's more is more. On this one.
Bohemian?
You are good.
Okay.
You are so good. Okay, so Bohemian.
Never mind. I was going to say something else.
You got it right, so don't say it. You got it right. So Bohemian is really more is more. It's mixing color and pattern and texture and kind of that Bohemian vibe of the woods and the plants and the tassels and all those things. And this is a really style that's out there everywhere right now, but a really easy one again to mix in the accessories. So besides the mid-century, I'd say all of them, if you could keep the furniture the same, you could bring in just these elements and accessories and get a whole different look to your style.
Love it. Thank you so much, Karla. I like all of these styles. So I still don't know
which one's you.
I still don't know which one suits me, but maybe we'll have another chat after.
Absolutely. Sounds good.
And for more style tips, we can go to karladreyerdesign.com.
Yep, that's
find your own style. Okay.
If you like this video, please like it. Make sure you subscribe for weekly tips. And to know your style, hop on over to karladreyerdesign.com and make sure you take my style quiz so that you can create a home that's authentic to you. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.